Hello and welcome to how we train our dragon. Clicker? Check. Treats? Check. The first thing we need to train our dragon is stay. Here's what happens if you don't.
Stay! Stay!
The second thing we need to train our dragon is how to understand the word no. Here's what happens if you don't.
No, no, no!
And because they fly, the most important thing of all is to potty train your dragon. So remember, if you want to train your dragon, be sure to bring your clicker, plenty of treats, and lots of praise.
Help!
Drop it! Good boy!
Girls, who let the dragon out?